One to go. Hey family, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, this channel deals with business, lifestyle, technology, health, and sometimes we do daily vlogs. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Yeah. So in today's video, we are going to do a house tour. Our house tour. It's a small but lovely one. So
So we hope you will join us and we will start at the door.
yeah, don't laugh, guys.
And show you all around.
The living room area.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's a combination of a living area and a kitchen.
No, today that is all about a living room.
Okay. So the living room only.
Yeah.
Yeah. So hope you will like this video and also comment.
Share.
Yeah.
Yeah. Watch till the end.
Yeah.
And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. We need to reach 200 subscribers by the end of this week. Yeah.
And we are now back. We were doing another project which
Yeah.
required more time, so now we are back.
And we will launch that project here in our YouTube channel. Be ready to support it.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's start.
Twende karibuni,
As the
tunaingia.
video wanaoingia sasa.
Tuanzia mlangoni. So
Mlangoni.
haya.
Ready? After you have entered the living room, you will be captured with our smart television, a big one. So this is our 49 inches television. It is the LG one. We really love it. We bought it from Babe Tulumno?
Hot point.
Hot Point. Yeah. So if you have not yet watched our video about it, just go watch it. There is a link down there in the description box. Television, we really love it. We saved until we get the amount to buy it. So we will link the video about its features on the description box. And then we have the token here, the Kenyan in us. So yeah, that is for electricity. We have the TV stand. We bought it in Mombasa at a good price. Sindio Bev? Tulinunua bei poa. Utaweka kwa description. Utaweka. Okay. And then we have the dolly. These two dollies here. I really love them. I bought them in Kongowea. It's a very nice price. They decorate our TV stand area. Oh, huyu ameanguka. Sit here, baby girl. This is Felix. This is Virginia. No. This is Virginia. This is Felix. You see how huge this one is, and then me, I'm small. Not small, but thin. Not thin, just the medium size. That one. That is Virginia. That is Felix. It symbolizes us directly, guys, as you can see. And then we have our tropical heat just for refreshness. Yeah. So just beside our TV area, don't be shocked that we put the refrigerator around the television. It is because of space, guys. We have to do it. We have
Is my fan?
Yeah. Don't, as I was saying, don't be shocked that we put the refrigerator at just just around the television. It's because of space. This living room is not that huge and there is no kitchen, so you have to squeeze things to fit perfectly. So here is our refrigerator. You want to see inside, guys? So here is our refrigerator. This refrigerator, we bought it also from Von Hot Point, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we bought it from Von Hot Point online, guys. We really love shopping at Hot Point. They have nice products at a good price. Yeah, and I love it. It's just small, nice, beautiful. It makes this area looking very nice. We also have this fan. You know where we are living, it's very hot. If you don't have a fan, you cannot survive that easily, not unless you have a bigger house. But for us, this living room is not that big. For us, we bought ourselves this fan for fresh air. Yeah, babe, where did you bought it from? Naivas supermarket, Nairobi. Yes. And then I have this mkia wa ng'ombe for removing dust in the house. I bought it in Thika when I was going to do my exams at a nice price. I really love it. It also looks like a decoration in this house. As you can see, guys, in our walls, we don't have any frames or flowers. The walls are just open, but we're planning to do something. When we are done, we'll show you. Right, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And here, down here, you have this boy, mini fridge. That one I just bought it from the local fundi. Babe, I think now we're supposed to change the So here, guys, is the L-shaped 6-seater sofa. We bought it in Mombasa. So as I was saying, guys, we have our sofa here. It's a L-shaped sofa and it's 6-seater. So if you come into our home, you'll have somewhere to sit. Don't be worried. So we bought this sofa in Mombasa, and where exactly we bought it, we bought from the fundi's name is called Legacy Furniture. Guys, you can follow him on Instagram, Facebook. I'll give the number of the fundi. These chairs got for 40,000 Kenyan shillings. The transportation is not also that expensive. So Legacy Furniture transport the chairs and the sofa all over the country. It doesn't matter where you are. Atakufikishia mara that. So you can follow him on Instagram and check his work. It's very nice. Imagine how big this chair is. This sofa, it's very comfy. When you sit on it, they are not bonyered in. You can just sit and feel relaxed. You watch your movie and you see how I have arranged this home. So when you sit here, you watch the television just right there. So they are very comfy. I love them. Thank you so much, Ben Legacy. Legacy Furniture, Ben Legacy, all that is his name. Yeah, he's located in Kisawuni, Mombasa. Yes. Anything to add on this chair, babe? Nothing. Just say something.
Nothing.
Say.
Nothing is something.
How you saved?
I copied myself 17,000.
No, guys. We saved the amount until it reached. Everything in this home, as you can see, We just save the amount and then we go and buy something. It is not that we wake up today, go buy television, refrigerator, chair. No, it is one by one. Everything in this house iko na time yake. So we have these throw pillows. I bought them from also where we bought our chair, our sofa. We It comes from these throw pillows. But if you know where I can get the fluffy ones, throw pillow, just comment down below. I really wanted them. I want the at least one, two, three, at least six. Yeah, the fluffy ones, the throw pillows and the covers. If you know where I can get it at the cheaper price or at the promotion price, talk to me down on the comment area. And then here we have the chair, not the chair, the table. Normally we eat here because we don't have a dining area, but as time goes, we pray to God He will bless us with our own home where we will design it. It will have those such stuff. So also this glass table, we bought it. We bought it together with the TV stand. We bought them from one shop. Yeah, we linked the person's contact. Yeah, I have forgotten their name, but I will link down there. They have a very good product, guys. You can go and check them. They are located just after the neighbors supermarket, the Mwembe neighbor supermarket. You will see them on your right hand to Nawal shop. That's where they are located. They have a very good product. Yeah, I also love them. Love their goods. They stay for long. But is it the corner how many?
1 year.
2 years.
Mm.
Yeah, they are 2 years old now. And you can't imagine, we bought them, we put them in the bedroom until the time we were ready to put them up. That's when we put them up. So I want to show them the window. So just at the back of our chair, our sofas, we have our window here, as you can see. I don't want you to see the back area, but we have the window here, and we have curtain. This curtain, I also bought it in Congo where I was with my friend. Yeah, Chebet. We bought it together in Congo where at a cheaper price. Yeah, you can also go and check there. So anything left? Yes. Here where I'm standing, I have this baby, it is called Sujui, the leg chair. The leg what? The leg foot Sujui, the knee. This one here. I don't know how it is called, but also this one comes with this sofa. As you can see, its color is matching the cushion covers. Yeah, those ones. So it was supposed to be the round one, but unfortunately that day the round one was not around. It was sold. You know the life how it is. So they have to make this for us because I really wanted it. When you are tired, you can just sit. Let me show you. You can just sit and put your legs just here. Yeah, you can just sit, put your legs up here, relax, take a deep breath as you're watching the television. Yeah, you see how comfy is this sofa, and you see even when I'm sitting on it, the sofa is not near it. This cushion. These cushion guys are very good and nice. I love them. So yeah. Then Then down here, I want them to see this. Then down here, guys, is this rug. We bought it from Jumia online shopping, but when we are buying it, this fur were like this. The rug was very fluffy and nice, but due to our legs just passing around it, the fur have really slept. It seems that we are going to buy a new one, but not now. Vitu ni nyingi, but immediately when we will buy the new one, we will update you guys on our living room. And then the curtains, we are planning to change the curtains and the rug very soon. And then if you know something that I can put at the walls, comment down there below. And then that space there, change the camera. Okay, that space here, I want it to be of my flower, guys. I have a limau plant. Okay, so that space there, guys, I want it to be for my plant. I have two plants, guys. I've planted a limau and a pawpaw. So I want to buy those nice pots. If you also know where I can buy them, please tell me on the comment. I want to put them on the pot, and then I bring them inside, because outside there are some kids wanangoa majani hata haimei vizuri. So yeah, comment down there below. And then I think for today I'm not going to show you my kitchen because it is not that well organized. I've not yet washed the utensils.
But if they want to see the kitchen, they can watch the video about cooking.
About cooking. Oh, thank you. God. So this one, when I update it also, I will show you next time. And also anything when we update here, we will show you guys. So thank you so much for watching our video. The videographer is here now. He's coming to end the video. So guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and like this video, comment down below, share
and comment
and like.
Also we want you to please like it right now.
Like it before watch it, then share it after watching it, then comment while you are watching it, right?
Yeah.
So I think that is our small living room. We
will also kusrab.
The Okuyu in you.
Yeah, we will also show you before and after.
Yeah, of this
house.
How the way it was, guys. It was. If you are the wife, you could not even ready to live in this. But I stayed. I know what? I stayed. Yeah. So thank you so much, guys, for watching our video. From us to you, we love you. See you on our next. Bye.